Hi, welcome to Namoi Cotton's 12 Days of Cotton Christmas. Today, day one, we are going to be creating a Santa Advent calendar. To start with, we get a plain piece of cardboard. This can be from an empty box or a manila folder or whatever you've got lying around. What I've then done is drawn a template of Santa Claus on there. For those of you who aren't comfortable drawing, we will be including a template in the PDF in the comments below. So once I've done the outline of my Santa Claus, what I need to do is make sure that we've got the 24 spots for each day leading up into Christmas. And being that today is the 1st of December, we want to make sure we include all of them. So what I've done is I've taken the spare insert from the baking paper that ran out last night. I've used a felt pen. You can also use some paint. I paint around the edge of the bottom and I stamp it down until I have 24 spots. Once we've got the 24 spots all marked out and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and number them. So I'm going to start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now has come the time that we need to actually start decorating our Santa Claus so that he's ready to go when we're ready to start counting down the days. So for this, I have gotten some red paint and I'm just going to use a cotton ball for this because I'm going out of my way to make sure I use cotton products. You can use a paintbrush if you've got that or anything else, so I'm just going to paint in here. Awesome. I'm also going to make his nose red because it's winter where Santa is at the moment and that's quite cold. If he's in Australia with you, then he might also be red because it's quite hot at the moment. So we now have the basis for our Santa. So what we want to do is to finish off his hat, we want to pop some cotton on there. So I've got some non-toxic glue here. I'm just going to put a little bit up here. I'm going to do it with a cotton bud. Awesome, so I'm going to take one of these cotton balls here, pull it in half, I'm going to fluff it out a little bit, and I'm going to put it down. I'm going to do the same for the top of his hat here. So I'm just going to spread some glue out. The glue doesn't need to be thick, doesn't need to be any particular glue. If you don't have glue at home, you can make some glue by just mixing some flour and water to a nice thick consistency. So I'm going to keep using these little bits that I've torn out. Pop them in here. Now your Santa, you can make it as careful as you want or as wild and out there as you want. If you like drawing yourself, you can draw your own Santa, that's definitely not a problem at all. So what we've got now is we've got the basis of our Santa ready to go. So what we're going to do now is, today is the 1st of December, so we're going to take one of our cotton balls, we're going to add a little bit of glue, and I am going to put it on here against number 1 and let it dry. So what you'll get is when you're getting the day before Christmas, his beard will be all covered in, and that's how you'll know you'll need to go to bed real early to make sure you get your Christmas treats. We'd love to see what you've done, so don't forget to hashtag with Namoy Cotton Crafts on Instagram and Facebook so that we can have a look at your artworks and we can share them as well if you'd like. Thank you very much for tuning in for day 1. We look forward to seeing you again day 2. Thank you.